Morgan's just fine. Not even a scratch.
I was praying he would come home safe. And Michael will too, honey. He will.
I know. But, Lorenzo. You didn't have to come to the hospital.
I knew Morgan was getting his checkup. How's he doing?
Dr. O'Donnell says he's going to be just fine.
That's good news.
That's the best.
Did Jason come by to check up on Morgan?
Why?
Just want to tell him something.
Mama, can you, hold Morgan. I gotta speak to Lorenzo. Grandma. Go see Grandma. She's got the stethoscope.
You can't breathe.
It's okay.
It's all right. Okay. This one, Mommy's over there. You can talk.
I don't mean to worry.
Well, it's too late, to be honest. Lorenzo. You stayed in the ER after we went to go get the kids. Did you talk to Faith?
I want to talk to Jason before we get in.
Lorenzo, tell me now.